Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a vital concept in modern marketing: integrated marketing communications, or IMC. In an age where consumers are bombarded with messages from countless brands across various channels, it's crucial for companies to present a unified and consistent message. IMC is the strategic approach that ensures all forms of communications and messages are carefully linked together. By the end of this lecture, you'll understand what IMC is, why it's essential, the components involved, and how to develop and implement an effective IMC strategy. Let's start with a definition. Integrated marketing communications is the practice of unifying all marketing communication tools, corporate and brand messages, to send a consistent, persuasive message promoting the company's goals to its stakeholders. It means integrating all the promotional tools, so they work together in harmony. IMC is not just about coordinating messages but about creating a seamless experience for consumers across different aspects of the marketing mix. Why is IMC so important? Consistency builds trust. Consistent messaging helps build brand recognition and trust among consumers. Efficient use of resources. By integrating efforts, companies can avoid duplication, saving time and money. Enhanced effectiveness. A unified message is more likely to cut through the noise and resonate with the target audience. Customer-centric focus. IMC ensures that all communications are tailored to meet the needs and preferences of the customer. IMC involves several key components, each playing a specific role in delivering the overall message: advertising, paid, non-personal communication about an organization and its products transmitted to a target audience through mass media. Sales promotion, short-term incentives to encourage the purchase or sale of a product or service. Public relations, building good relations with the company's various publics by obtaining favorable publicity, building a good corporate image, and handling unfavorable rumors or events. Personal selling, personal presentation by the firm's sales force for the purpose of making sales and building customer relationships. Direct marketing, direct connections with carefully targeted individual consumers to obtain an immediate response. Digital marketing, online marketing efforts, including social media, email marketing, SEO, and content marketing. Events and experiences, organizing activities and programs designed to create brand-related interactions with consumers. Developing an effective IMC strategy involves several steps. Situation analysis, understand the current market conditions, competition, and the company's position. Setting objectives, define what you want to achieve: awareness, interest, desire, action. Determining the budget, decide how much to invest in your marketing communications. Developing the IMC program, choose the right mix of communication tools and design messages that are consistent across all channels. Implementation, execute the plan across all selected channels. Evaluation and control, measure the results and make necessary adjustments. A critical aspect of IMC is ensuring that all messages are consistent across all channels. This means unified brand voice. Whether it's a tweet or a TV commercial, the tone and style should reflect the brand's personality. Consistent visual elements. Use the same logos, color schemes, and design elements. Aligned messaging. The core message should be the same, even if tailored slightly for different audiences or channels. Consistency helps reinforce the brand and makes it more memorable. Digital media has transformed IMC by introducing new channels and tools. Social media marketing, engaging with customers on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Content marketing, creating valuable content to attract and retain customers. Email marketing, sending personalized messages directly to consumers' inboxes. SEO and SEM, ensuring your brand is easily found online. These digital tools allow for more precise targeting and real-time engagement, which are integral to a successful IMC strategy. While IMC offers many benefits, It also presents challenges, organizational silos, different departments may not communicate effectively. Consistency across channels, ensuring all messages are aligned can be difficult with multiple teams and agencies involved. Measuring effectiveness, it can be challenging to measure the ROI of integrated campaigns. Adapting to rapid changes, the marketing landscape, especially digital, changes quickly, requiring constant adaptation. Overcoming these challenges requires strong leadership, clear communication, and a culture that embraces integration. Let's look at a real-world example: Nike's "Just Do It" campaign. Advertising, television commercials, print ads, and online videos all featured the "Just Do It" tagline. Public relations, sponsorships of athletes and events reinforced the brand message. Digital marketing, social media campaigns and a strong online presence engaged consumers directly. Events, Nike organized marathons and sports events to connect with customers. Through consistent messaging and a well-coordinated use of various communication channels, Nike strengthened its brand identity and connected deeply with its audience. To ensure your IMC efforts are successful, you need to measure their impact. Key performance indicators, KPIs, define what success looks like: brand awareness, sales growth, engagement rates. Analytics tools. Use tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, and CRM systems to collect data. Surveys and feedback. Collect customer feedback to understand how your messages are received. Adjust and optimize. Use the data to refine your strategies continuously. Here's a roadmap to creating your own IMC plan. Identify your target audience. Understand who you are communicating with. Set clear objectives. What do you want to achieve? Develop a consistent message. Craft a core message that resonates. Select appropriate channels. Choose the mediums that best reach your audience. Integrate communications. Ensure all efforts are coordinated and support each other. Implement and monitor. Launch your campaign and keep a close eye on its performance. Evaluate and adjust. Be ready to make changes based on feedback and results. In conclusion, integrated marketing communications is essential for creating a unified and effective brand message in today's complex marketing environment. By carefully coordinating all communication efforts, you can maximize impact, build stronger relationships with your customers, and achieve your marketing objectives more efficiently. Thank you for your attention. Now, I'd like to open the floor for questions. Feel free to ask about any aspect of IMC we've discussed today.